Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to archive emails for long-term storage in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you enter this URL in your browser, it will take you directly to the web version of Outlook where you can access all your emails and folders. Once your email interface has fully loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin archiving. The process is straightforward but incredibly useful for keeping your inbox organized while preserving important emails for future reference. Navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is typically on the left side of your screen and shows your folder structure. From here, look for the specific email you wish to archive for long-term storage. Take a moment to locate the right email as you want to make sure you're archiving the correct message. Once you've found the email, click on it to select it. You'll notice the email is now highlighted, indicating it's been selected and ready for the next action. Now right-click on the selected email to bring up additional options. This action will open a context menu with various choices for managing your email. From the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over the Move option. This is a key step because the Move option contains all the folder directories where you can relocate your emails. As you hover over it, the menu will expand to show you additional options and folder directories available in your Outlook account. From the expanded list of folder directories, click on Archive. This action immediately places the email into the Archive folder where it can be stored long-term without cluttering your main inbox. The Archive folder is specifically designed for storing emails you want to keep but don't need immediate access to, making it perfect for long-term storage and organization. And that's it. You've successfully archived your email in Outlook, keeping your inbox clean while ensuring important messages are safely stored for future reference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.